Hello, Jack Middleton, the Empowered Vegan here, and in this video, we're talking about tofu. So there are two main types of tofu that you want to know about. There's regular tofu, and there's silken tofu. And I'm gonna tell you the differences. Silken tofu is a very soft version of tofu, and it's really good for things like custards, sauces, cheesecakes, quiches, anywhere that you wanna replace dairy with some other kind of creamy product. This kind of fits into that scenario in most cases. Now, the other type of tofu that you're probably used to that comes in vacuum sealed bags with liquid in it, this tofu is your standard tofu that you're gonna use for marinating, whenever you're gonna sear tofu, when you're gonna bake it, when you're going to make it in your tofu scramble. Now, where this gets a little bit confusing is that both types of tofu, both normal and silken, have varying degrees of firmness. So what you'll see is that silken tofu has a soft, medium, firm, and extra firm version, and regular tofu also has a soft, medium, firm, and extra firm version. Now, when you're looking on a recipe, 9 times out of 10, you're going to be using regular tofu. If you're looking on a recipe and they want you to use silken tofu, they're gonna tell you to use silken tofu. Okay, folks, that's it for this video. I hope that this information is going to help inform your tofu choices while you are at the grocery store and when you're making your grocery list. There is nothing worse than coming home, ready to make a recipe and realizing that you don't have the right ingredients. If you like this video, like it. If you want to see more informational videos like this, comment below, let me know. And if you haven't already, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.